Good day, dear students. My name is Sugar, and today we'll be doing Coding Decoding Part 2, decoding based on letters of the English alphabet. In a certain code language, plant is written as QMBOU, then Toyota is written as in that code. So PLANT, plant is given. We have to convert it into QMBOU. Now, P plus 1 is equal to Q, so L plus 1 is equal to M, A plus 1 is equal to P, and so on. You can check. So each of these letters on the left plus 1 will give the letter on the right. So in this code, all the letters are moved forward by one place. Similarly, for Toyota, TOYOTA, we will do the same thing. T becomes U, O becomes P, Y becomes Z, O becomes P, T becomes U, A becomes P. UPZ, PUP, that is option number A. UPZ, PUP. Yeah, that is the answer. Similarly, lawyer, LAWYER becomes NCYAGT. Just move on. Yes, sir. Up LMNO plus 2. Similarly, ABC plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Clearly, the code is a plus 2 code. Similarly, doctor, DOCTOR plus 2 to each of the letters would give a new word, which is FQEBQG. Get it? FQVQEVQT, which is option number B. Yeah. We have a binomial of plus 2, so doctor becomes FQEVQT. Madras is written as NPESBT. How is Assam written in this code? MADRAS comes NPESBG. Again, we have a case of plus 1. So similarly, we will have for Assam, ASSAM, A will become B, S will become T, M will become N, PTP. A is the answer. PTTPN. In a certain code language, if butter is coded as EXWWHU and G is this, milk is PLON, and CREM is coded as FUHDP, then sesame is coded as, I guess this is actually cream. PUTTER is EXWWHU. Now I notice here that B plus 3 is E, U plus 3 is X, T plus 3 is W, E plus 3 is H, and R plus 3 is U. So difference seems to be plus 3. Checking same, C plus 3 is F, H plus 3 is K, E plus 3 is H, S plus 3 is V, and A plus 3 is H again. So for cheese, milk, MILK plus 3 would give PLON and so on. So sesame plus 3 gives us gives us gives us B E plus 3 gives us H. It was B. A plus 3 is D. M plus 3 is P. And E plus 3 is H again. VH, VT, VP gives us beta plus 3 is EXW. Similarly, although the words are coded as such, VH, VD, PH. That's option D. Next, we have the word rural, which is coded as V, Y, V, E, B. Now, PQR S T U V plus 4. U V W X Y plus 4. This seems to plus 4. R plus 4 is V. A plus 4 is V. A. And L plus 4 is P. So next we have the word remote. REMOTE. Now this plus 4 gives R becomes applying a plus 4 here. This becomes V. Actually from here remote we can actually pick up letters from here. R we can pick up and yeah, that's it. E will become I. M will become Q. O will become S. T will become X. E will become again I. VIQSXI. Putting plus 4. Remote plus 4 is VIQSXI. Yeah, that's how it's up. In a certain language, enough ENOUGH becomes ONEHGU. So here we have a shuffling of letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 becomes 3, 2, 1, 6, 5, 4. So how is excess? So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 will become C X E S S E. C X E S S E A. 3, 2, 1, 6, 5, 4. Similarly, excess becomes 3, 2, 1. C X E S S E. Shall answer. Next we have MAT. MAT, which becomes TAM. The alphabets have been reversed. So similarly, RANT becomes TNER. So FEST becomes TSE. TSEF is A. Okay. Next we have question number 58, Indian. Indian is INDIAN, and this is written as NATINI. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 becomes 6, 5, 3, 1, yeah, 4, whatever. N is 2, and this one is again 1, yeah, 4. Yeah, EXPERT, which will become, so let's take this to be 4. I think here also 1 and 4 are same, so we can probably not need it. 6, 5 comes T. Then we have 6, 5. 5 is R. P, 3. 3 is P. I, that's one of the E's. X, then again one of the E's. TRPEXE. C. TRPEXE, that's the answer. If memory, MEMORY, can be written as ROM, then scientist will become ME. For M, R, Y. Tick, 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 tick. MEM, this entire 3 letters have been moved forward. Then R has been moved back. So in this again, 3 letters have been moved forward. Tick, these 2 move back in reverse. So this becomes this will become SI, this SIT, move back and reverse SIT, then NEI, then ST, CST, yeah. Tick, 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 tick. SIT, NEI, CST, that's A. SIT, NEI, CST, yeah. Now clock can be written as PMTJ. Tick, resolution number 60. Tick, Now this BMTJ is nothing but C minus 1, L plus 1, O minus 1, C plus 1, K minus 1. Same way we will apply to P. W minus 1, which is V, H plus 1, I, E minus 1, D, E plus 1, F, L minus 1, M. L, tick, 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 tick. E plus 1, F, L minus 1, VID, F, K. Tick, tick, plus 1, minus 1, plus 1, minus 1, plus 1. Okay. VID, F, K. We'll when apply the minus 1 plus 1 is VID, F, K. That's the answer. Yes. If maths can be written as mathematics, is it MPU? Tick, 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 tick. Tick, 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 tick. This becomes M plus 1, A plus 1, T plus 1, H plus 1, E plus 1, M plus 1, A plus 1, T plus 1, I plus 1, C plus 1, S plus 1. Okay, so you have a plus 1. Same way E, N, G, L, I, S, H, entire thing, we'll apply a plus 1 to it. E becomes F, N becomes O, G becomes H, L becomes N, I becomes J, S becomes T, N. This one, tick, tick, how much T is correct? Keen, K-E-E-N becomes P-V-V-M. In the same way, P becomes Q. Tick, tick, tick. There's no clear relationship, right? Immediately you can see. But what I noticed is if you were to write on the alphabets, tick, 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 M and N, these are mirror. So I think tick, A, P, tick, 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 E, V, tick, 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 tick. So tail will become P opposite is K, E opposite है V, A opposite has Z, and L opposite है O. KVZO also, which is B. Here the alphabet quoted with their opposite letters in the English alphabet, the field becomes KVAZ. Team is coded as WHDP. Coins will be coded as, so TEAN becomes WHDP. Therefore, COINS will be coded as T plus 3, E plus 3, A plus 3, M plus 3, P, WHDP. Similarly, coins plus 3 हमें लगाना पड़ेगा. C plus 3, D, E, F. Answer is F. O plus 3, R. I plus 3, L. N plus 3, Q. S plus 3, N. F, R, Q, L, N. F, R, L. F, R, L, Q, V. Next, 64. If Pearl, P, E, A, R, L is coded as Q, F, P, Q, M. PSM. P plus 1 Q, E plus 1 F, A plus 1 B, R plus 1 S, L plus 1 M. Then suit S plus 1 is T, U plus 1 is V, I plus 1 is J, T plus 1 U. T, V, J, U, A. Local. Can we have a plus 1? Okay. So stand S plus 1, T plus 1, A plus 1, M plus 1, T plus 1, T, U, P, O, E, A. T, U, P, O, E. Perfect. Plus 1. Similarly, H, E, A, V, E, N becomes I. We have a plus 1. H plus 1 I, E plus 1 F, A plus 1 B, V, E plus 1 F, M plus 1 O. We have triangle plus 1, H, power. So H plus 1, second plus 1, H का I, A का B, R का S, W, I, B, S, W, B, S, which is C. I, B, S, W, B, S, E. The certain language Kepler is EK. which is nothing but the letters. Two letter pairs being switched up. Okay, so galaxy will become AGALYX. Okay, okay. Now again we have a change of letters n minus 1. But apart from that, the others seem a bit more complicated. K minus 1 J, I minus 1 H, N minus 1 M, G minus 1 F, S minus 1 R. So in a way, we have K I N G S, which becomes S becomes minus 1 R, J minus 1 becomes F, N minus 1 becomes M, I minus 1 becomes H, K minus 1 becomes J. So minus 1 in reverse order, it seems. Similarly, Q will become N minus 1 M, E minus 1 T, T, U minus 1 Q minus M T T T T T. Teacher becomes U T P P I D S. So you seem to have an alternate plus 1 minus 1 pattern. So student applying plus 1 minus 1 alternate pattern will give us S plus 1 T, T plus 1 U, U plus 1 V, T plus 1 E, E plus 1 F, and U, T U V, E F O U, T S V, if S plus 1 T, T minus 1 S, U plus 1 V, T plus T minus 1 C, E plus 1 F, M plus 1 L, T plus 1 U. TSV CFMU, which is C. TSV CFMU, which is C. In a certain language, gears is written as CSRAEF. How is this table written as SCARCA becomes CSRAEC and 3, 5, 6 becomes 1 scarce. So staple comes to T S P A 6 L T S B A E L I A E L T. Toggle. Again, we seem to have two letter pairs which are being swapped. So that counts plus A K and would B R E T. Girl becomes SJSM. So G plus 1, I plus 1, R plus 1, L plus 1. So similarly, lady, L plus 1, A plus 1, B, T plus 1, E, Y plus 1, Z, and B, E, Z, A. Similarly, for notebooks, N, O, T, E, A, O, K. Also to find the pattern which matches with R, E, G, O. Uh, T becomes G, O becomes E. Okay, should comes X, Y. Instead of solving the pattern, actually, I can see something else here. T, O. Next, R. R becomes P. N becomes R. Tone. We have tone here. Tone is nothing but G, A, R, P. Curve. Up. GEPR is the answer. which is option number C. They've done the same thing. Temporary. Becomes permanent. Four, three, 5, 7, 7, then 2, 1, 8, 9. N, M, R, A, E, P, N, T, which is option number A. 6, 4. Next we have absent, which becomes B, D, B, I, S, A plus 1, B plus 2, T cube 3, A plus 4, M plus 5, T plus 6. So each letter is one addition to the number of letters is skipping. Similarly, school will become S plus 1, T, C plus 2, H plus 3, O plus 4, O plus 5, L plus 6. So T, A, H plus 3, K, O plus 3, 4, S, O plus 5, T, L plus 6, R, T, E, K, S, T, R, V. Inserting letter zigzagging comes A, Z, G, I, Z, G, N, I, G, G. Taking this in half, what I'm seeing here is Z, one. I think this is the one. Zig, zag. See, this A is moved here, this Z has moved here. These two G have moved here. This G is last. Well, this G is first. Then N, I, G. Zigzag. So divide the letter in half and then swap. So blizzardly, first divide in half, then write the letters in reverse order. So it said ILB, YLD, RA. So it said ILB, YLD, RA. As you can see, we have to write the letters word in half, then swap the order of the alphabets. Sky jacking. This is nothing but the letters being again scrambled in approximately half again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And reversed, yeah. Divide. Let's take the word cheap tax, divide it in half, then reverse the letter as I used on above. PAEHC SKCAJ. There we go, that's our answer. A certain code language puzzling. Z, Z, U, E. These letters and the words. J, N, I, L. Letters across. H, R. I, B, J, A, B, A, J. Again, 4 लेटर्स लिए और उनको रिवर्स कर दिया. तो swizzled. Z, I, W, S, T, E, L, Z. This is reverse. D is the answer. That's our answer. Divide the words in half. Switch the letters. Certain language miss situations. Here we have again the 6 words divided into 3 pairs, then switched. Z, M, I, Y, Z, L. And puzzle, same thing is happening. Z, U, P, A, L, Z. A, P, Z, U, P, E, L, Z. So buzzword. Your become ZUP T R O draw A to take the word. Imagine half is of the letter that was the pattern. In a certain code, ACGIK is written as YWQSQQ. We have an interesting case where I think the letters are again being reversed to a degree. So A is Y is Z minus 1 and A का opposite है Z. Similarly, C का opposite है X. But X minus 1 is W. So what is this? Opposite minus 1. That seems to be pattern. Opposite minus 1. E opposite U. AU तो E का opposite V होता है V minus 1 U है. G का opposite T T minus 1 S. I का opposite R R minus 1 Q. K का opposite T T minus 1 O. Therefore, for Bell, this should become P का opposite Y minus 1 X. E का opposite V X 1 U. L का opposite O minus 1 is N. X U double N. Okay, the sum of the alphabets is 26. Okay, that's what I was looking at it. So Bell B double L plus X U double N gives 26. So facial array is 26. Nothing. It's the same thing as what I was saying. Opposite letter minus 1. That's only way to raise 26. Because A is equal to Z minus 26 minus A is equal to Z minus 1. But the sum of letters should be equal to Z. In a certain code, if man is written as Sanam, okay, hence word comes as O R T. Interesting. And what is sale? What I noticed here was S is added, but this is what A N M M A N. So first letter moved last and S has been added. Let's check here. W to last, so O R D W and S added. Huh? So if you move here, S plus A L A and S to the and the sales. Okay. Let's calculate the sales answer. Nation NATION OCWMT. Okay, interesting. So what will country be? First, we need to establish the relation between nation and OCW. And N plus 1 is O, A plus 2 is C, T plus 3 is W, I plus 4 is M, O plus 5 is T, N plus 6 is T. Okay, so same logic will apply कि plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 1 into a later position. So country CAU N T R Y. Country means we add 1, we get C plus 1 D. So U plus 3, M plus 4, 5, R plus 6, Y plus 7. T O plus 2Q OPQ. U plus 3 is X, M plus 4 is R, T plus 5 is Y, R plus 6 is X, Y plus 7 is F. Well, TQ X R Y X B. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Again, plus 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 gives DQ X R Y X F. So, indigenous. It's the uh, taking pairs of three letters, I and D becomes D and I. Letters are swapped. E I G E, three letters taken together. Then E G I, again the third and first letter swapped. N C E becomes E C N, first and third letter swapped. So indirects. Again, and later word taking pairs of three. This becomes D and I N D becomes D and I. A Harry becomes E R I. C T S becomes S T C. C is the answer. Taking a test moments. Addition. Addition. ADU. A. Okay, again, taking three letter pairs and leaving the middle one, we get first and third letter swap, which when applied to medical gives us D and M swap. I carried over. Curl CAL becomes LAC. Temilak is last one D. See again. First and third letter being swapped. 3 के पास leaving middle letter changed. So Temilak. Next. This is the last one for today. Awake is written as ZVZJD. Okay. Uh, AZ AZ. So this is a -1 situation. So applying a -1 to all letters. A-1 Z, W-1 V, A-1 Z, K-1 J, E-1 T. Similarly for friend. Applying a -1. We get F-1 E, R-1 P, Q. I-1 T, M, C, E, Q, H, T, and C. A option. -1. That is correct. That's all for today, everyone.